Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea and today we're going to be getting into this gold and brown cut crease tutorial. If you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. But first, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so jumping right into it, we're going to start off first with our Louise eyeshadow base. So I'm going to just put that all over my lid and continue to just blend that out. Okay, starting out with a transition shade, I'm going in with the color Tease out of the Naked 2 palette. This is one of my favorite transition shades to use. So the second shade that we're going to use is the color Mugshot out of the Ring the Alarm palette by Morphe-Jaclyn Hill, and I'm kind of putting that in the same exact area as the first eyeshadow. So here I'm just taking a second to look at what I've done so far, and I'm gonna go in with the next shade in the color, with the next shadow in the color Secret out of that same eyeshadow palette, and we're just gonna build this up slowly because it's really dark and intense. So here I'm still blending out that dark brown eyeshadow a little bit before I start to build my cut crease. So here we go again, y'all. Y'all know this ain't my strong suit, but I'm gonna keep doing these cut creases until I get them like perfect, so I can have something to look back on. So I'm using the Louise eyeshadow base again to cut this crease out. finally got that first side looking pretty decent, and I'm about to start on the other eye. And you'll see later on in this clip that I go back and I add even more to the first eye I did, and I don't know why, but it still came out pretty good. If y'all have any like tips or tricks, leave me some comments down below. Okay, y'all, so I have both of my creases cut, and honestly, if you wanted to, you can just leave it like this and like put on some eyeliner and, you know, lashes and keep it moving. But I added this pretty gold eyeshadow in the color Half Baked out of the Tease 2 palette, and yeah. So now that I have that gold on how I like it, I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown shadow that I had before and like start blending the edges out of that gold a little bit. Here I'm just going in and highlighting my brow bone with it's a darker gold color in the color Chopper out of the Naked 2 palette as well. So here I'm just blending out a little bit of that dark brown eyeshadow. I mixed two colors, the color Rush and the color Mugshot out of the Morphe-Jaclyn palette. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment of some things you would like to see me do from here. I appreciate everybody and their support so far, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.